Hello everyone, welcome to first episode of digital marketing course. Today I will be teaching you everything about how digital marketing will works and what are the basics to key benefits and advantages of digital marketing course. So what is digital marketing and why it is useful for business owners, students and job seekers and who are looking for career opportunities and also it will be helpful for freelancers who can earn money through online and anyone who are more curious about how to learn digital marketing. This course will definitely help them. And also today I will be explaining the key benefits and the advantages and also the types of digital marketing in and out by explaining through the examples, and by end of the today's session you will be understanding what are the key benefits of digital marketing and why it is important and their advantages and how it can be used, and also how the freelancers can earn the money through online. So all these kind of stuff I will be explaining step by step, and even how the business owners can learn the digital marketing and they can do ads by themselves, and they can also grow their business online by increasing the reach, and also they can grow their business. Okay, so let's go to what is digital marketing now. So digital marketing is nothing but promoting their own products or their company products or their services using digital marketing channels like search engine. This is the search engine. I'm going to show Bing search engine, and this is called Bing search engine. And also I will be showing another search engine. This is Yahoo search engine. So if you can see on the screen, this is nothing but Yahoo search engine. These are the different search engines, and also we can run ads through social media, email marketing, and websites. So everything together called digital marketing. I know you got the clear understanding about digital marketing. So it's nothing but promoting their products or services using these different search engines, or maybe through the social media marketing like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and we have tons of social media channels. Now, for example, let's see one example. Buy shoes. If you search on the Google search bar, buy shoes, you can see the ads, right? These are like sponsored ads. So this is the search engine. This is called search engine results page on Google, and there is a label on the paid search ads. These are like shoes, right? Different kind of companies like Mintra, Jepto, Misho. Also, these are like popular products. Some of the shoe products come different different types of companies are promoting their brands like Zepto, Misho, Amazon, etc. And these are the different other companies where they're promoting their ads. While this moving, if you scroll down a little bit, these are the organic search results. These are because of SEO. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. So these are the blogs, websites are from the SEO side, and top results are from paid side. So let's discuss about the next step. So yeah, next step is nothing but traditional marketing versus digital marketing. So digital marketing is nothing but running ads, advertising through online platforms. So historically, like previously, we have TV ads, newspapers, and billboards on the wallpaper. On the so these are like old method. It's like traditional method, and currently the globe evolved like anything, and improving the generation like anything. So it's nothing but like advanced technologies moving forward, growing like anything. So it's nothing but we need to evolve based on the trends. So now we need to go to next technology like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. So these are all like cost effective. So results will come immediately, and also we can track clicks, impressions, leads, conversions, whatever is happening on the website. Okay, for example, Google Ads preview, I can show you. If you go to the Google search bar and type Google Ads preview, I can show one random example how the ads will appear. So this is the ads preview on search engine results page on the top box, which is highlighted, and below are the stuff from SEO, search engine optimization, which I have already explained you earlier. And let's see. Another screenshot. So more or less these are like similar trends. Like yes, paid ads on search results page will come on the top of the page on the results page, and SEO organic results will come on below page of the website. And if you discuss further advantages of digital marketing, so it's like more cost effectiveness, and also we can easily track clicks, impressions, and conversions, leads, whatever we can do. And even we can limit the audience reach across the globe. And so it's nothing but one way communication to capture the engagement with customers. It's nothing but like we can get more users running through Google or Facebook. We can reach more audience with cheaper than printing on newspaper or showing ad on TV. Compared to that, this method is like very easy, and we can reach more people and we can earn money like very quickly, and results will be very quick compared to SEO or organic, which is like organic results. So, and also you can sell or promote the product across the globe. You can for example, you are staying in Australia, but you can run ads for who is staying in Singapore or Malaysia. You can target any place, anywhere, from anywhere. You can also show ads to any specific age group or specific interest people, and also you want to negate some audiences, so you don't want to show your ad to some particular audiences. That also you can do. You can also track, measure the results by clicking, by generating the reports on each platform. And also I can show you one more example. For example, by Dell laptop or desktop laptop. So for example, if you see that as well, I can show you. So by Dell laptop, so here also if you can see, these are the search ads which I told you. These are the like sponsored ads which are coming on the search engine results page. And these are all like organic results. If you scroll from top to bottom, everything is like organic results. So this all will come under digital marketing from SEO side, which is like search engine optimization, non-paid results. And let's go to next types of digital marketing, which is like social media marketing. So social media is nothing but promoting ads on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, everything. And also on SEM, right? Pay per click is nothing but running ads through Google, which I already showed you. So business people pay to appear on the top of the page for users. And these are like some of the types of marketing. I can show one of the Instagram ad as well, just for your understanding. If you see here, Facebook, I mean Instagram ad preview, one of the ad I can show, which is like sponsored ad. So this screenshot, I don't think we don't have clarity. Let's see some other ad preview from Instagram side. Let's please check on this. Yeah, if you see here, this is one more ad from Instagram sponsored. This is nothing but Instagram ad preview. This is how the ad will appear. So when we will create the ad from any company or any product, so this is how the ad will appear. This is the one of the ad preview from Instagram side. So Facebook ad also more or less will look similar, but we have different headlines and descriptions and different kind of ad formats. So when we will look into more detail on the each platform, that time I'm going to explain each and every step how to create in the real time experience for users. You guys can also drop any comments if you have on the chat box. I will try to respond as early as possible. And also we have another type of market, digital marketing. It's nothing but email marketing. So email marketing is like sending promotional emails to the customers. Like for example, if you think about e-commerce site, right? E-commerce site, they will sites will send the discount emails for email, through email. So if you see, many emails will should have come into your inbox, like click on this one and use this code for to purchase this one. And if you click on that email, particular city, call to action button, it will redirect to some Amazon or Flipkart, so to purchase the value product. How this is how the email marketing will work. And let's move to next item, which is that another type of digital marketing, content marketing. So content marketing is nothing but creating blogs, YouTube videos, and infographics to attract the audience. So it's nothing but a blog titled 10 best hair care tips, or you want to promote your video on YouTube, you can write your own content, and you can also do the content marketing by generating more details, more information through any brand or any website. And also moving to next item like affiliate marketing. So here you can earn a commission by promoting other brand products on your website, or yeah, for example a YouTuber recommending an Amazon product or Flipkart product by earning a percentage, for example $100 product. If he will purchase from his website, he will get some share in that product revenue. It's nothing but like affiliate marketing. And moving to influencer marketing is nothing but brands partnering with social media influencers to promote their products. So a beauty influencer, for example, a beauty influencer reviewing a hair care brand on Instagram, and she will give like, use this one, this is good for health, or this is good for hair. So this is like nothing but she is trying to promote the brand using her own thoughts or her own experience on how the video, I mean how the product is. This is nothing but influencer marketing. So majorly these are the types of digital marketing. Then let's discuss the uses of digital marketing. So for any kind of business to increase their brand awareness, to reach more audiences, to generate more conversions or more leads, or to boost the sales, or any kind of new business or new startup, digital marketing will definitely help them. It will reach their business to next level. And also in terms of students or who are looking for job, so digital marketing will build their career. And also nothing but for freelancers who want to work remotely, also it will be very helpful. So this is about the digital marketing detailed introduction. In the next episode, we will cover SEO basics for beginners, how websites rank on Google, and also even how Google Ads will work. I will try to explain Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram, LinkedIn, everything one by one in upcoming sessions. We will try to close everything within 99 days as per the plan. If you find this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Comment below if you have any questions. I will definitely try to respond. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.